Okay, folks, I'm going to show you how to do a supervised classification in QGIS, and there's going to be a little bit of black box magic involved because I've been spending hours and hours trying to figure out why I was getting an error message, and I can't figure it out, but I think I've found a workflow that's going to work for us. So the way to do this, so I'm starting with a blank QGIS. So I'm going to load my subset vectors in here that I made. Sorry, subset rasters. Okay. Okay. There we go. I've loaded my subset rasters in there. And this is, I have no idea why this is the case, but I could get that error to stop if I made sure I just started with a fresh QGIS and then I merged rasters before I started doing a classification. So if I, for example, if I didn't do any merging, right? If I didn't do any merging for some reason, it didn't work. And again, I have no idea why this is the case. So with that in mind, if you're going to do supervised classification, you just need to do a merge. Even if you've already got this done, you just need to do it. I have no idea why. So raster merge. So let's just do a red, green, blue. And just save this, whatever. Okay. So we're going to run that. We've done the merge, and I'm just going to add it to our workspace here. RRR. There we go. Okay, I'm just going to get rid of that. And we're just going to color this correctly. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so apparently doing a merge before you do supervised classification primes the system somehow to be able to do it. So to do supervised classification, you're going to need a plugin. You just put in classification, semi-automatic classification plugin. Make sure you've got that. That's where all these buttons come from here. And so in order to do a classification, you first need to tell the plugin what bands you're dealing with. So you press this button here. Just press this refresh, and that gets you all the bands in your workspace. So select them all, add them to a band set. So now we've got, all this is saying is these are the bands that we're working with. So Landsat 8, that's where they're coming from. And create a virtual raster of the band set. It's something that I've been doing that seems to work. Then you press run. I don't exactly know why it makes you I don't know why this comes up, but I just am making an untitled folder. It's just going to be empty in there. I don't know if it's going to try to put something in there or not. So now I'm going back. Okay, so now we need to make training sets. So that's the end of this video, which is how to get the plugin set up. And so the next video, I'll talk about how to get the training sets going.